Really big kid on the trampoline.
Okay, you ready?
Chris and Julian Rose and Colden Mitchell and Griffin. Whoa! Colden's doing it. There they go.
Alright. Okay, ready?
And there's Miles and Kathy. Hi, Miles.
Alright, here comes the butt bounce.
Not into it.
Catch your breath.
Oof.
Ready? I'm going to start from the butt position. I'm going to bounce up to my feet. 1. Alright. Oh, that one's not good.